Oh, great. Dad's dead.
Oh.
Have you been eating that sandwich again?
Sandwich.
Jeez, we hardly made a dent in that 10-foot hoagie.
Oh, give it a good hope.
You've been eating that thing for a week. I think the mayonnaise is starting to turn.
2 more feet, and I can fit it in the fridge.
Homer, I found this behind the radiator. I really think you should throw it away.
Suggestion noted. Marge, I'd like to be alone with the sandwich for a moment.
Are you going to eat it?
Yes. Oh.
You look terrible.
I don't care. I'm going to Duff Gardens. So cold.
Your lips are turning blue. I think you better stay home.
No! Duff Gardens! Hurrah!
We really appreciate you taking the children on such short notice. We'll have fun, won't we, kids?
To get to Duff Gardens, I'd ride with Satan himself.
That's the spirit. See you tonight.
Goodbye, Dad. Don't need any solids.
But I love solids.
Won't be any fun without you, Dad.
Yay!
This is all your fault. Oh, how can I stay mad at you?